What's up, guys? It's miっちゃん. Guess where I'm at? I'm in Seattle! Oh my gosh, it's my first time in Seattle. Why am I here? I wasn't planning on being here or vlogging here. Long story short, I basically missed my flight. Yes,
I was gonna buy that, just by the way.
No way!
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's really nice, and it actually moves with you.
It does, yeah.
It rotates really smooth. Yeah.
Are you planning on vlogging?
I was thinking about it. Yeah.
You should do it.
Yeah, I was thinking about it. I think you were here before. You had a vlog on. I'm gonna try to remember. You were here before, yes or no?
No, it's my first time actually.
Oh, okay.
Have you seen?
No, I'm on YouTube all the time looking. Nice.
Yeah.
How can we help you?
I'm trying to get to Pike Place Market.
Yep. All the way to the end, make a right, up to the street, make a right. 3 blocks. Can't miss it.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
You too. Awesome. What's up, guys? It's miっちゃん. Genki desu ka? Guess where I'm at? I'm in Seattle! Look! Why am I here? I wasn't planning on being here or vlogging here. Long story short, I basically missed my flight, my connecting flight from LA. I was on my way from LA to Tokyo. And I had to catch a connecting flight in Seattle, but I missed it. And yeah, you know what? Let's not get into the details because it's kind of embarrassing that this happened, that I let this happen. You know, being that I'm probably considered a frequent flyer, frequent international traveler. Shame on me. But yeah, they booked a new flight for me for tomorrow, and they also provided me with a free hotel stay tonight. So I'm really grateful for that. But yeah, you know, I had my camera in my bag, so why not vlog? Just go look around, go explore the city because it's my first time being in Washington State. Who would have thought that I would be spending a night in Seattle, walking around? This is insane. I'm enjoying this. I'm really liking okay, 100% truth. I'm loving the vibe in Seattle. Like already the train ride was so nice. I really enjoy the scenery. There's just so much nature in this city. So luckily I had about 70% battery left on my camera. I should have charged my camera, I guess, when I left LA, but you know, I didn't know this was gonna happen. I thought I was done filming and vlogging when I left LA. So I'm gonna keep the camera rolling until when the battery runs out, basically. So let's see how much content I can get, and yeah, I just hope this would turn into a fun little video. But yeah, let's go explore the city with me. Okay, so I think I'm here. I was actually walking from the station to, what's the place called again? Pike Place Market. Wait, let me double check. Yeah, Pike Place Market. I've never been to Seattle before. I had no prior knowledge about Seattle, so I didn't know what to expect. But I looked up places to visit, and the first thing on the list was Pike Place Market. It's what is this place supposed to be? It's like a fun little market. Here, let me show you. Maybe it's not so little after all. It kind of looks big actually.
Try the smoke salmon out.
salmon. They have salmon. Do I want salmon right now? These are so pretty. Fresh produce. So I just hit up a friend who's lived in Seattle for a couple years, and I was recommended to go to this really good clam chowder place. I love clam chowder, and you know what? I'm really hungry. So, okay, hear me out. I've been up since 3. I woke up at 3 to catch a flight from LA to Seattle. So I'm honestly sleepy and tired and hungry. I haven't had anything since. Actually, I had a sandwich. Let's see. How do I get there? Is this it? I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is it. But there's so many people. The line is so long. Honestly, I don't know if I want to line up. I'm very hungry. I need food right now. But you know what? I'm here. Why not? Hi, good. What's your signature menu?
New England, I would say. That's our most popular.
Okay, can I get that?
Yeah, what size?
Sorry, what do you have?
We got large, medium, small, or bread bowl.
Bread bowl, please.
Bread bowl. Do you want for here?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
All right, sounds good. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Hi there.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Let me get what is that, medium size?
Yeah.
Let me get a medium clam chowder.
Clam chowder. You want it for here? You said yes? All right. Have a nice day.
$17.59, please.
All right. Anything else?
Thank you.
Excuse me, do you want anything?
Oh my gosh, that looks so good. So that was $17.59. I mean, it's a lot, so I guess it's a good deal. I don't know. Dude, it's so good. The meat, the clams are so like plump and full. It's so good. It is for sure the best clam chowder I've ever had in my life. So I ordered the one that comes in a sourdough bread bowl. You can dip this part in. You can eat the bowl, the I can't even talk. The bread with the soup. Oh my goodness, that clam chowder was literally the best I've ever had in my life. Shout out to Yuna-chan, thank you so much for the recommendation. I'm so glad I lined up and waited and had it. So good. So now I'm full. That was a good amount. I honestly couldn't finish the sourdough bread. I feel bad, but I just couldn't finish it. But I'm full. It made me full. And now I'm headed to Starbucks. Not that I'm like a huge Starbucks lover. I do like their drinks, like I like namely, especially their frappuccinos. But I mean, I'm in Seattle. They have the original, the very first Starbucks here, so we gotta check it out. It should be 2 minutes away from here. On the right side of the street. I think it's gonna just pop up at some point. Actually, that's a really cute store. Let me stop. Let me go check it out. Kawaii と思ったらベイビー服だったんだけど、ちょっとちっちゃすぎるかも。Look at these pretty jewelries. Oh my gosh, look at them. Sea turtles, whale tails. Hi, good. These are beautiful. It's on my board if you have any questions. Beautiful weather, guys. すごい天候に恵まれすぎてやばい。I just love how natureful this city is. It's surrounded by mountains. The weather is beautiful. Well, apparently it rains a lot here, but today it's really nice. I'm seeing a lot of clouds, but I like clouds. Oh my gosh, there's a bird. Oh, bye. And I also love the houses here too. They're so cute. The colors and the shapes. It's so simple and classy and nice. I like them. Alright. Definitely loving going around this market. I'm so enjoying it here. I definitely want to come back. A few hours is not enough. So yeah, as I was... Oh, is this it? I think this is it. I think I'm here. Okay, so ちょっと思ったより地味だけど I think we're here. あれですね、あれが the very first Starbucks, the original store. I was gonna go inside, but the line is so long. Look at that. Ducks, all of them are trying to get inside Starbucks, and I'm not gonna do it. Not today. It's okay. I can miss Starbucks, but I think it'd be really cool for you to visit if you're in Seattle. You know what? Let me get closer and just get like a shot of inside and then just go. Alright, ということで next stop we are, or I am, going to this place or this thing called the Spheres. I'm not sure what it is, but Yuna-chan sent me the link, so I'm just gonna go check it out. It should be like a 13-minute walk from here. Let me pull up the map. Okay, wow. ここ上がってくの？やば、ちょっと見て。Okay, it doesn't look that bad in the video on the screen, I bet. But it's very steep. It's a really steep hill. But we're gonna do it. Because luckily I'm wearing leggings and a backpack, so I'm in sneakers, not B-san like always. So perfect outfit to hike up this hill. You know what's funny? This hill, how hilly this city is, or this area is, it reminds me of San Francisco. And then also the machinami, the streets that I was walking on earlier, that reminded me of Melbourne, Australia. How cool. 私は今シアトルの街を歩き回ってるの。なんでかっていうと、つけてくれるかな、ちゃんと。OK、そうなんかね、なんか球体が見えてきたよ。あ、そもそもでもちょっとこの景色を見て、もうシティって感じだね。I think this is where I wanted to the spheres. So sphere っていうのは球体って意味だよね。The spheres. So 多分これだと思う。Because they're multiple. Yeah, I see at least two. Look. What is this? What's in here? I should have done my research. I have no idea. Oh. Amazon スフィアだって。Amazon のシアトル本社にあるワークスペース&温室だって。That is so cool. That makes sense because I see a lot of plants. Like I see so much green here. Look. So this is Amazon's property, I guess? Oh, cool. I guess can I go inside? Can I go inside? Someone just came out, so I could have gone inside, but I think that would be wrong, so I won't do it. Next time, It'd be cool to just walk around. I wish I could go inside, but 仕方ない. Okay, so there's another place, one more place I wanted to check out, but I feel like the battery's gonna run out. I think it's less than 5% or something. Yeah, I can't tell. So, how far is it from here? So, I wanted to go to the Space Noodle. Not Space Noodle, Space Needle. Space Noodle. 宇宙の noodle. 14-minute walk. Okay, I don't think that is gonna last. We could try. Wait, is this the right way? No, I'm not. Yeah, I think I'm going the right way. But yeah, sorry if the video just all of a sudden gets cut off. I just wasn't expecting this fun trip. Should have charged it. But I'm impressed that the camera had like 70% left. Here's my view. Seattle is so much fun. I'm actually in love with this city. I definitely want to come back. I feel totally safe walking around. I don't know if the most common means of transportation is walking here. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe in the city. But I see a lot of buses going around. Of course, cars. Probably Uber is also popular. Look at these leaves. 紅葉がアメリカで見れるとは思ってもいなかったぜ、ベイベー。That's it. That's the Space Needle that I wanted to visit. The Space Needle is an observation tower in Seattle, Washington. Considered to be an icon of the city, has been designated a Seattle landmark. これは行くべきしかないところですね。まあ要はあれですね、都庁みたいなもんですか？あれ？あとの見てね。Oh, I really hope the camera lasts till I get there because I really want the view. これよ、これを目指していたんです。さあ行こう。やばい、着きました。Space Needle Seattle Center だって。わー、すごい。登れるかな、間に合うかな、時間とかお金とか大丈夫かな。 なんだろう、都庁と東京タワーのフュージョンみたいな感じかな。What do you think? What's the fun area? なんかすごい面白そうあっち。Okay. Let's go. なんかお土産ショップだね、1階は。これは上にI think you get up there on an elevator and of course there's gonna be Hi, where do I buy a ticket to go up there?
We do have a kiosk out in the front. And I
Okay.
think there's an admission thing out right in the front.
Okay, thank you. Oh, 結構 the line's pretty long. Is it? Oh, the ticket booth is outside. There it is. I wonder where this one is. Is it not working?
No, they just don't have anything till 6:30.
Oh, 6:30? Oh, shit. Gotcha. なるほどね。Let's see. 6時半か。Really? It's 4:30. I have 2 full hours. I mean, I could kill time. I'm here, so やってみるか。Ticket machine didn't work, so buying in person. Hi. I'd like to go up the Space Needle.
Okay, how many tickets?
One.
Are you Washington resident or military by any chance?
Just visiting.
Okay. The earliest time slot I can do is at 6:45. Is that okay? Your total will be $40.95.
Do you think I would be able to catch the sunset?
The sunset? I think so, yeah. Okay, would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Alright, you're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
音楽がいい感じ。2 hours to kill. So let's just walk around this area. I think this area is called Seattle Center. It has obviously the Space Needle, and then they have some kind of museum and like hot dog stand over there, popcorn stand. Wait, they have lemonade. I need to get a lemonade. Can I get a lemonade, please?
$7.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Yay, I got my favorite drink ever, which is lemonade. This is pink lemonade. It's huge. It was $7, so that's like 1100 yen in yen, but it's pretty big, like as big as my face. I don't know. I think it's worth it. I don't know. What is this place? Okay, so as I was saying, there is a lot to see in this area. 寒くなってきたよ。 Man, was I parched. めっちゃお腹空いてんじゃないわ。めっちゃ喉乾いてた。これ何マジで What is this Pike Place? Museum of Pop Culture でした。That sounds interesting. Let's go. Exit door. なんかお金かかりそうだからやめよう。Okay, so there's this thing called Chihuli Garden and Glass. It's some kind of an exhibition over there. I see something. Those look like higambana. I don't know how to say higambana in English. Oh, this is it. Chihuli Garden. Hi. Finish drink?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can, or you can leave it at coach check. It's up to you.
Okay, can I drink it here though? In this area? Okay. The drink? Okay. ということで、レモネードを持って入っちゃいけないということで、レモネード買ったことが裏目に出てしまった。That's okay, it's $35 something anyway, so it's okay. I wanted to see the gift shop, but it's okay. I don't want to throw away my lemonade yet. あ、この紅葉すごい pretty. Look, I'm loving the different colors of the leaves. They're light green, there's not really yellow, but yellowish orange, pink, salmon pink, and then darker colors over there. Wow, look at this. Oh, I wonder what kind of trees these are. I don't think they're momishi. Kirei. Wow, 写真撮影いいね。Honestly, I'm really glad I came out to the city, because otherwise I would have just slept and wasted a whole day in the hotel. So yeah, shout out to the hotel's shuttle bus guy, the driver, because if it weren't for him, I would have missed out on this beautiful city. Okay guys, it is time. It's almost 4:30, 6:30, and I'm about to get up there. It started sprinkling. What a timing. But it's not raining, it's just, it might turn into rain, but right now it's just sprinkling, so that's fine, I can handle it. I just hope that the clouds won't cover the whole city and the sunset. I just hope that I get to see the nice scenery. That's all I want. That's all I want for you guys to see too. Excuse me, where did I go with?
We're gonna go back outside and all the way around past the ticket booth. The entrance starts outside.
Okay, thank you. This is exciting. Okay, it is raining.
Up top is indoor and outdoor viewing, as well as a cafe, beer and wine. Head down the staircase to the glass floor, and that is also where you'll exit from. We hope you have a great time up top today, and enjoy the view.
This is so cool. It has a 360-degree view of the whole city. Let's go outside. Samu. Wow. This is so pretty and scary. So cold. Oh, this is really cool. I'm not sure what I'm looking at right now. I guess I should find the map, but wow. There's the ocean. So if you go downstairs, apparently there's revolving glass floor. What? Ooh. Look. Okay, look. So the floor is transparent, it's glass, and it's also moving. Look, it's slowly moving clockwise. Can you tell? Oh my gosh, this is so scary. 怖すぎ。マジで怖い。Oh my gosh. 落ちる。本当に落ちる。They have a bar here.
See how I was able to rotate my body to address you? That's not a thing that happens in full level. I like how they have the Pacific Science Center lit up right now.
Well, that was a fun ride and nice scenery. They have a lot of souvenirs, but you know what I do when I come to a new city, new place. Get a magnet. So, let's look for some fun, cute magnet. These cups are cute. So cute. I think I've decided on my magnet. $7.25. Are they still in service? Hi, is it still working?
Yeah.
Okay. No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you got my monorail ticket. Wow. Monorail. Okay, well, this is it for today, guys. Thanks for exploring the city with me. It was so much fun. Honestly, I'm in love with Seattle. I definitely want to come back and spend more time. But surprisingly, it has been a really productive day. Like, I've never done so much sightseeing in one day. Oh, it wasn't even one day, one full day. Like, I started the day at 12. Wait, 1, something like that. And I still got to see so many places, talk to a lot of people. I just had a really full, fun day, so yeah, I'll definitely come back. If you've never been to Seattle before, you have to try. It's so fun here. Seattle has a lot to offer. Okay, well, I gotta go. My monorail is here. Bye, guys!